Tucson Medical Center has integrated temporary employees onto their emergency team this week to help with the surge here in Pima County. News 4 Tucson's David Kelly joins us with a breakdown of the role that these transplants will play. Good evening, David.
Good evening, Angelique. It is an experienced team of professionals known as MDAT, that's Medical Disaster Assistance Team, and TCCT, Trauma Critical Care Team. These folks have reported for duty here in Tucson to help the team here at TMC wage war against this coronavirus.
42
temporary staffers welcome to Tucson Medical Center this week to help with intensive care.
Physicians, nurses, nurse practitioners, respiratory therapists, paramedics.
TMC Chief Operating Officer Mimi Kumler says transitioning the contingency staff in has been seamless.
They knew exactly what they would need to be successful. Do we need people on the night shift or the day shift or in critical care areas or in urgent care or COVID testing? And so we got all of that stuff sorted out very, very quickly.
Which is important because right now TMC is at capacity in terms of COVID-19 care. 53 patients overall, 20 COVID ICU beds, all full. I asked Kumler how she would categorize the mental state of the hospital staff.
They are getting weary.
Weary from the daily grind that is demanded fighting this coronavirus.
It's been a long process caring for very sick patients. We're okay on ventilators. We have plenty. So it's about the staff to manage them and take care of the patients who are intubated.
And what you're seeing right here is family members visiting outside a hospital window here at TMC with a relative who has coronavirus. Now, in terms of that contingency team of 42, they will be here for 2 weeks, and after they go, there'll be another team that will come in to replace them. We're live out here at Tucson Medical Center. We've got you covered. I'm David Kelly, News 4 Tucson.
David, thank you. And Arizona inching closer to 80,000 cases, but today our new daily reported cases are higher than they're supposed to be. News 4 Tucson's John Overall joins us now with the latest. Good evening, John.
Good evening, Angelique. We really anticipated this. In fact, we told you last night that today's numbers would be much higher than usual because one of the labs had some problems reporting their information on time, so they were not added into yesterday's total. That means today's information includes results from yesterday as well. Today, the state now reporting 79,215 cases with more than 4,600 new cases reported today. But the state health department says more than half of these new cases are actually from Monday. So now we have 1,632 virus-related deaths across the state, including 44 new cases reported today. Let's take a look at the numbers by county now. Pima County reporting more than 8,000 cases and 273 virus-related deaths. There are now more than 600 cases in Cochise County. Santa Cruz County reporting more than 1,700 cases and 18 deaths. With the 4th of July weekend coming up, health officials are reminding all of us to ask these questions before going out. First off, how many people will be gathering? Can you keep 6 feet in between you and the others? Will you be outdoors or indoors? And how long will you be interacting with those other people? Bottom line here, if you're going to celebrate Independence Day with a group, make sure you keep your space and keep safe. If you'd like a closer look at all the information for yourself, we have a link to the health department's website on KVOA.com. Angelique?